Hi guys, it's Nunu and we are in our English 127 creative writing course. You are listening and viewing my week 4 greeting from Nunu. Please remember I have Confer Zoom open from Monday and Wednesday 12 to 2 if you need to speak to me. And what are we doing this week? We are in week 4 in modules, February 25th through March 3rd. We are doing Act 2 of Arthur Miller's 1949 play Death of a Salesman. And we access it through modules. I can use the left menu here, or I can use a handy link I created for you here. And I'm going to click on this link and just take us into the discussion. Before I do so, I have my new little window just reminding us that we're preparing for our creative writing to look through the window, to crawl through it to the world you create for us. Okay, that sounds kind of hokey, but you get the drift. I'm enjoying everything you've written so far, so I do want to crawl through that window. All right, let me click on week 4 here, and week 4 takes us into this to-do list here, which is discussion 3, Arthur Miller's 1949 two-act play, Death of a Salesman, Act 2, and Requiem, which are right here. I'm going to click on this assignment, and I'm going to take us into it. So we have our timeline, requirements, and discussion rubric, links to click on. And we also have 2 parts to this assignment. We have part 1 and we have part 2 down here that we need to complete. And of course, we have a link to Act 2 right here. Okay, let me go into modules again because I want to show you something very important in the discussions. I'm clicking on discussion 2. Week 3's discussion last week. Let's look at it together. We have the beautiful Marilyn Monroe here with the young Arthur Miller. We have all the information that was here in this assignment. And I just wanted to point something out to you. Wherever you see these graphics, I'm commenting on your major posting, not always to your peer responses to other writers in the class, but definitely on yours. And please make sure you respond to me, okay? So you see another graphic by me here. Let me scroll down the screen some more and find another graphic. Okay, I've got this great horse. I love this graphic and a question. I usually highlight questions in yellow to you. Scrolling more down the screen. Yep, I'm asking questions. I'm scrolling down the screen just to show you that I'm paying very, very close attention to everything that you write in here. You are not typing into a void. I'm reading every word you write, and I'm very interested in what you have to say, and I learn from you. I'm the teacher in the class officially, but we're all guides to our learning here. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up in this assignment and take us into home. I think I'm taking us into home. Yep, there we are. We're into home, and we're back on the home page. And please participate in our week 4 discussion, Act 2 of Arthur Miller's 1949 play, Death of a Salesman. It can teach us so much. Although this play was written in 1949, I think many of you have found it very timely, even for today. And Miller can teach you all kinds of writing techniques and improve you as a writer. He's one of your best teachers. Okay, as always, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. You're never bothering me when you email me here. You're never sending me too many emails. Don't worry about that, okay? So here I am right here. And remember, Confer Zoom is open Monday through Wednesday, 12 to 2 p.m., where we can see each other by video if we need to do that. Okay, and of course I keep my office hours, which are Monday and Wednesday, 12 to 2 p.m., not only in Confer Zoom, but also in my physical office on campus. And let me go ahead and just type it in here so you know where I am. It's in the syllabus, but I want you to know. So I'm going to put Office General Classroom Building 210D. Okay, and let me save that onto the screen so that you know that I'm here for you. I want this class to be fun and productive for you, and anytime you need to contact me, you know where to find me. All right, let's have a good week.